We are very pleased to share that one of our African customers has officially started PET bottle production. They mainly produce different types of kitchen cleaning products in various bottle shapes. We will introduce the key, full automatic blow molding machine used in their production line. YD-1800 2-cavity full automatic PET blow molding machine. This machine is designed for producing small and medium-sized PET bottles, with a bottle capacity range from 100 milliliters to 2,000 milliliters. It is suitable for many different applications, including mineral water bottles, beverage bottles, food packaging bottles, edible oil bottles, and other PET containers. The YD-1800-1 Servo adopts a 2-cavity linear structure, with output of 1,800 to 2,000 bottles per hour. For 500 milliliters bottles, the production capacity can reach around 2,000 bottles per hour. For customers entering the bottled water, beverage or food packaging industry, this machine offers a balance between production capacity, stable performance, and investment costs. This model is equipped with one servo motor system, mainly used for mold opening and closing. Compared with traditional pneumatic or mechanical systems, servo control allows faster, more accurate, and smoother mold movement. This helps improve production efficiency, reduce energy consumption, and supports stable long-term operation. In terms of machine structure, the clamping force is 480 kN, the clamping stroke is 125 mm, the maximum stretching stroke is 370 mm, and the bottom moving stroke is 60 mm. These parameters help support stable preform stretching, accurate mold movement, and reliable bottle forming during production. The maximum mold thickness is 300 mm, allowing the machine to work with different bottle mold designs. For bottle specifications, this machine can produce various PET bottle types. The neck diameter range is 38 to 50 millimeters. The maximum container diameter is 360 millimeters, and the maximum container height is 380 millimeters. It can be used for food bottles, mineral water bottles, beverage bottles, edible oil bottles, and other common PET packaging containers. According to different bottle shapes, volumes, and production requirements, Yuanda Machinery can also provide suitable molds and customized production solutions. For the electrical system, the standard voltage is 380 volts, 3-phase. 50 Hz and special voltage requirements can also be customized according to the customer's local power supply. The machine is equipped with 4 heating sections, and the total power under full load is around 15 kilowatts. The multi-section heating system helps heat the preforms more evenly, which supports better bottle forming quality. For the air system, the machine works with both low pressure and high pressure air supply. The low pressure air system is around 10 bar, mainly used for machine movement and control. The high pressure air system is around 32-40 bar, mainly used for PET bottle blowing. A stable air supply system is very important for bottle quality and continuous machine operation. If you are looking for PET bottle production equipment, please feel free to contact us for more details.